I have become the best known sport flooring contractor in the world, and I'm just getting started. Hello, this is Paul Nelson with Western Sport Floors, Wyoming Wood Floors, coming to you today from Mercer, Wisconsin. I have with me head of maintenance, Mr. Adam Cussard.
Cussard, that's
Cussard,
right.
Did I get it right, Adam?
You did.
Excellent. Today we were doing a tour at the Action Sports Surfaces plant here in Mercer, Wisconsin. And Adam, as a part of that, apparently you get some R&D.
Well, we're going to have to talk about that.
We're going to have to talk about that. Action has a product that they also do, obviously. Action provides sport floors of all kinds, specializing in maple gym floors and the Herculon pad and pour floor systems. But they've also been working on a product here, and maybe we can pan down to look at this floor product. And they call this IG. Is that right, Adam? As far as you?
Sounds right to me.
Yeah.
I call it a floor.
You call it a floor. We were talking a little earlier, Adam. What is it like to have this particular floor system in your school from a maintenance perspective?
Oh, it's cut off lots and lots of time for us. In the summer when we're waxing, we've gone from taking 2 weeks to do a classroom down to doing, 10 classrooms in a day for cleaning.
From 2 weeks to do one classroom to as many as 10 classrooms in a day.
Correct. Yep,
That's a pretty significant decrease in maintenance.
it is.
We panned down on this floor once before. Let's pan down on this one more time. This is the main entry to your school, Adam.
That is.
Correct?
That is
This is the
the
main
main
entry. You got hundreds of kids coming in here every day.
Yeah.
This is a 5-year-old floor at least.
It's over 5, yep.
Over 5 years. You can't remember exactly.
Yeah,
when it was put in.
it's been in. We've done multiple projects.
Multiple projects since then, but in the 5 years that this floor has been in, you've never waxed it.
Nope.
It's not a wax floor, and we don't wax it. You've never put on another coat of the top coat.
Nope.
All you've ever done is what?
Scrubbed it with an auto scrubber and brushed her clean.
You scrub it with an auto scrubber and you brush it clean. I know it's going to be a little bit hard to tell in the video, but I'm telling you, this is a beautiful floor.
I agree with you.
And you told me your administrator, he's the kind of guy that's his job to keep track of things,
Yeah.
and he believes it's cut your maintenance budget by 90%
Correct.
on these floors.
Yep.
Adam, I really, really appreciate you doing this and,
All right.
and giving a testament to this floor system.
I'm a real fan of it.
Awesome, awesome. For Western Sport Floors, Wyoming Wood Floors, coming to you from Mercer, Wisconsin, this is Paul Nelson. You make it a great day.